The rectifier half-full wave. Interactive calculator determines output characteristics for rectifier circuits with capacitive filtering. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate output voltage and ripple, calculate required input voltage, calculate filter capacitor value, calculate rectifier efficiency, calculate peak diode current, or calculate transformer VA rating. We're using calculate output voltage and ripple. Next, choose your rectifier type, half-wave, full-wave center tap, or full-wave bridge. We'll use half-wave. Enter your input voltage VRMs, output voltage VDC, load current in milliamps, filter capacitance in microfarads, desired ripple voltage VPP, line frequency in hertz, and diode voltage drop in volts. For our example, I'll enter 24 volts RMS input, 12 volts DC output, 500 milliamps load current, 1000 microfarads capacitance, 0.5 volts desired ripple, 60 Hz frequency, and 0.7 volts diode drop. After clicking calculate, we get peak input voltage, 33.94 volts, DC output voltage, 29.07 volts, ripple frequency 60 Hz, ripple voltage 8.333 volts peak to peak, load resistance 58.15 ohms, rectifier efficiency 44.3%, peak diode current 10900.9 milliamps, and transformer VA rating 21.60 VA. Note the warning that ripple voltage exceeds 20% of DC output. This calculator streamlines power supply design calculations. Find the link in the description below.